When I started on this journey, I never dreamed for a moment that we would end up with a facility like this and a business like we have. But then at that time, I didn't know that I'd be joined by so many great people.
Coming in and working as part of a large team to produce a Niftylift is a lot of fun.
I love working at Niftylift because everyone here will offer you help and advice.
And I know I'm going to have so many opportunities and it's going to set me forward for the future.
Niftylift is a privately owned company based here in Milton Keynes, and it designs, develops and manufactures aerial work platforms or mobile elevating work platforms, otherwise known as cherry pickers. All our machines are made here in Milton Keynes and are shipped worldwide. I guess I started my working life as an apprentice with a large construction company. With that apprenticeship, I studied a degree in engineering and I wanted to start my own business, so I started hiring out machines. I realised there was quite a hole in the market. That's when I thought perhaps we should actually fill that hole by creating our own product. I actually started making the first few machines in our hire shed, handcrafted them. There it is, the dear old shed. First year we built about 30, the second year we actually built about 200. And that gave us the sort of confidence to go ahead.
In 2015, Shenley came about. The Shenley site's the headquarters for Niftylift. This provided a world-class working environment, and it was a case of how we're going to fill this 28,000 square foot facility. It was vast.
I remember the first day they brought us all over here, and we all walked through the door going, oh my God, how are we going to fill this? But then it didn't take long, and all of a sudden we've filled all the space and we've moved into all these areas and the company's grown.
We're all growing on every front, you know, all over the world. The products are winning awards. We seem to be on a real good trajectory, really. We were brushing up against the American competition at the time, which were quite formidable, really. They had other products that were similar, but they were big and heavy and difficult to use. We took it by storm, really.
The growth of Niftylift, I would say, in North America directly relates to opening up the facility here in South Carolina. The business started in the United States, was tow behinds back in probably the early 90s. We were able to then grow the business to our track drive, self-propelled platform.
I think the US customers like the simplicity of the machines, the reliability of it.
Kind of what makes us us, what makes us Niftylift is that there is a tremendous amount of pride and care for customer, because if you don't have that, I just don't think we would have become what we are right now.
It gives us immense pride. The people involved with Niftylift, we are a family. It's a partnership. If you have that, the sky's the limit.
We always wanted to be innovative. We saw it with Tofkates, we saw it with PSYOPs, we see it now with ClickOn. We are first and the rest is following.
It's imperative that the ideas are focused on making the product better for the user.
Our hybrid technology, we pushed it and built it because we believed that that was an optimum thing to do. We've got a fully hydrogen electric boom using fuel cells, first product of its type in the market. If you look at the gross vehicle weights of our machines compared to other people's machines, they're quite often tons lighter. Paying attention to detail with every last kilo that we can get out of it, every last gram that we can get out of it.
They are low in weight, which allows us to fit more efficient, smaller engines.
You can use them on structures where we can't use a competitor's machine because it's too heavy.
It allows for the product to be transported on a lower capacity transport whilst still achieving a very versatile working envelope.
They're high performing. There's a lot of engineering goes into making a machine light, a tremendous amount.
That's been a phenomenal success and progression, and the constant drive for improvement has developed our products to be world class.
We work with local schools, local college, and we run numerous programs.
We've come on a trip to Niftylift.
We didn't really know very much about Niftylift. Walking around the factory today, it just looks really exciting.
Today we are welcoming our STEAM poster competition winners. The aim was to create a poster that represented STEAM.
So that's science, technology,
Engineering, arts and maths.
seeing young people in engineering makes me feel really hopeful for the future.
We're here today to celebrate a truly amazing double whammy.
They've won 2 Queen's Awards for Enterprise, and remarkably, this is the second time they're the only company in the entire country that has ever won 2 awards at the same time twice.
The next generation of engineers are key to developing and growing the company going forwards.
I applied for work experience here, so I did a week of work experience, and from that's when I knew that this is something I could potentially go on and do as a career.
This is the training centre. I'm really proud of this space that we've developed here, as training is very close to my heart. This is here to help develop people along their journey at Niftylift.
I would definitely recommend apprenticeship schemes at Niftylift. Work is hard, but it is very enjoyable.
On the first day, it was quite nerve-wracking, but once I got there, met all the people, my mind was at ease.
As we grow, we don't lose sight of the people, the quality, the efficiencies, the costs, the deliveries. We've just got to make sure we're always 1 step or 2 steps ahead of the competition.
It is a company that will continue to push you forward.
You feel proud to know that, well, you had a hand in building this machine. It's a great feeling.
The atmosphere in the factory, on the shop floor is amazing, and it makes me feel so proud to work here.
I get to work with so many different departments, from purchasing to engineering to production.
The standard and the quality that's actually produced here, from a customer's point of view, is second to none. I'm proud to work at Niftylift.
The best part of my job is seeing the finished product. That's a good feeling. You've been a part of that.
I've been such a great team who have made the whole story here so successful. I really do feel so grateful to them for being such a great team of people to work with.